What's up guys, Baker here, and I got a special package in the mail, and I think I know what it is. So this should be my 100,000 subscriber framed silver play button. Callie, that's for you to play with. Nice fancy blocks. Oh. Got a letter. 100,000 subscribers, that's more than double the size of packed Roman Coliseum. And more than 10 times the number of people who set the human domino world record. We understand the dedication and talent it takes to reach 100,000 YouTube viewers. We want to know that we didn't take your achievement for granted. You delivered the audience, now we're delivering the rewards. So yeah, we got the silver YouTube.
You get that from YouTube?
I got some from YouTube. We'll check that out.
Really?
Yeah, you want to come see it? It's got my name engraved on the thing and everything. Like a cool little frame thing.
You have how many subscribers?
Right now I have like 110,000 something.
What?
But this is for hitting 100,000. That's pretty cool. Nice.
I'm watching golf videos right now. These guys got 30,000, which is like a lot.
Yeah. Not as good as 100,000. That's okay. Yeah. Pretty nifty.
Your play button.
Yeah. And for $1 million, you get a gold one that's like 2 by 3 feet. It's huge. Anyways.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well,
That's
yeah.
cool.
You still making money with that?
A little bit.
You should be. 100,000 subscribers.
Anyways, I've said it before, but thank you everyone for supporting me and stuff. 100,000 subscribers is amazing. And yeah, I don't know what else to do now. Is that it? I think. How about a kiss?
No,
You don't want to be on camera? Okay. Thank you. Okay, bye everyone, and I hope you guys enjoyed this cool little unboxing.
Good job, baby.
Good job, me.
Bye.